Amazon, and you can read this story if you like. It's quite interesting, but I don't know whether it is a real story or not. But that's not our work now. Let's get in. Fine. Here it is. My first. Okay. Um, NVMe PCIe Gen 3. I don't know what is for. 3D NAND M.2 NVMe SSD. This is my first in my life. So high performance optimized for gaming. I don't know. So they have mentioned this speed 1800 MB per second. Fire warranty, write speed 700 MB up to I don't have any idea about this. And the price they have mentioned is this one as 3000 rupees, but this is not 3000. Go and check out the link in the description area and you will get the Amazon URL or Amazon link. So if you want, you can purchase that, purchase this one from that URL. And make sure you subscribe my channel to check this real speed of this drive, whether it is coming like this or not. I hope I will update those in the short section. So it will be good if you already subscribe. Also, I have unboxed one um, 2.5-inch SSD, which is SATA speed, not NVMe, and even I have one SATA M.2 as an alternative. So I have this will be good to see in the future videos. That's why I suggest make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, it's me for Mika signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.